it's Virginia with digitalcoursefreelancer.com, and I often get a lot of questions about where can I host my cooking classes and how easy is it to upload the videos and what does it look like, all that. So I'm going to do a little demo of me having a cooking course, and then it's all video based, and I want to have it available for sale. Now I want to be able to collect 100% of my income. I don't want to have to pay some other platform, percentage of what I earn. So I'm going to use the platform Kajabi for this. I am an affiliate for Kajabi, and there's a link below for a 30-day free trial. So you can just play with it a little bit, see if you like it, and if it's something that you think you can make a business with. What we'll do is log in, and we'll go to the products area, and we're going to create a product. Get started. We want it to be a course. Let's give it a title of Basic Cooking Technique Lessons. You can write a brief description if you'd like here. And optionally, Kajabi will create sort of a table of content, like a sample course of what your course could be all about. But if you already have an idea, you certainly can enter it in instead. I'm going to go ahead and let them generate some content and see what they provide me. Maybe it'll give me some more ideas for other videos I can make. You can add an image, but I'm just going to have it go on. I'll just make it free for now. And it'll take just a second for it to generate a few things. In particular, I'm looking for that course outline. I want to see, what kind of ideas they could provide me with. Offhand, I'm thinking of cooking techniques, how to chop an onion versus how to chop garlic versus how to do a carrot. You can also offer pastry lessons. This is how you make frosting. This is how you frost a cake. This is how you professionally frost a cake, that kind of thing. Or it could be weekday meals you're preparing for families versus if you are preparing for athletes. That could also be a cooking course. So it's just about done here. Looks like it's created some modules and then lessons in between. Here's what we have. Let's expand them all. The modules are Introduction to Basic Cooking, Understanding Ingredients, Cooking Techniques, Cooking with Herbs and Spices, and Cooking with Wine and Cheese. Oh, I love that last one. If we expand it, you can see inside they've given ideas for lessons. For example, understanding ingredients, grains, proteins, vegetables. So a few cooking techniques in here. So it pretty much provided a simple outline based on the title I gave it. You don't have to do it this way. I can also decide that I don't want to offer a module on cooking with herbs and spices. So I can just delete this, change the name to just vegan cooking, and save that. And then now we have a whole module about vegan cooking. And of course I can come here and change the name of this, etc. Now from here, I want to show you how to go about uploading the videos and perhaps the PDF of the recipe that you're creating after that. You just come in here to one of the lessons, click on it, and here we have the opportunity to upload a video or just an audio. Obviously with cooking, you want it to be a video and not an audio. So we'll just click video, we'll upload, and it'll say, where would you like to find it on any of these areas? So you can upload it straight from your device, your camera, you get the idea here. Close that out. So it's uploaded, the video is here, and it's going to be available for viewing only, not for download. So nobody can click on it and then take it and then email it to their friend. It doesn't work like that. They're going to need to have login information. Most likely they paid for the course. So you're going to need to log in to be able to access this area. And then down here, you can choose to have a little description about what's in the video, or you can have nothing at all with just a video. Let's go ahead and I think I have some video on we'll just put some video in there. That's about how long it takes to upload. It's going to buffer and all that. And we can put a little thumbnail here. Let me just choose a recent image. There we go. We'll just choose that. And then there's a comment area. You can choose whether or not below your video you want to have people make comments about it and everybody can see the comments, or you can just hide them and not have a comment area at all. That's totally fine too. So our video uploaded. This is just a 2-minute long video. It is pretty quick to upload. I would say anywhere between 1 to 5 minutes, depending on your speed. When I had really, really slow speed, it took 20 minutes. So if you have fiber or some kind of fast internet, you could get it in just a few minutes. And up here, you can add downloads. And this is where you can, if you want people to be able to download those videos, you can add it here as well. So they can watch it up here and also download it here. But if you only want them to watch it, you just add it up here. And down here, you can add PDFs that they can download with the recipes and whatnot, any kind of other resources you'd like them to have. If you'd like to have, links to other areas, or perhaps you have some, you're an Amazon affiliate and you want to link to products, you can just add those in here. You can say, here's the link to my favorite salt. And then we'll just highlight it and click the insert link, add the link in here. Okay, and then it's highlighted as a clickable link. And then, so yeah, somebody will click on that and you'll receive Amazon affiliate income from that. So that's another way to make money. Even though you're selling your courses, there's more beyond that, because not only can you sell a course, inside the course, you can offer affiliate items, for example, your favorite salt, some cooking pans, knives, etc. So that's another way you can earn income. As well, some people may want more of a one-on-one from you. So you can have a sidebar here offering one-on-one consultation, and you can charge, anywhere from, I would say, $100 to $200 is about the average I'm seeing for this kind of consultation. And yep, we'll just save that. And then let's see what it looks like to the customer. Oh, we can make this video a little bigger, and we can come in and add our logo. We can make this our brand colors. And then over here would be where the downloads are. And then over here also, you can have information about you, the instructor, as well as a clickable link to, go purchase some coaching, some private coaching from you. Or perhaps you have a little idea box where it says email to send ideas about future cooking videos that you'd like to see. So that's another opportunity. So yeah, if this is something that you're interested in doing, you can see I think I have everything currently inside draft mode. So once I move it to publish, let's take another look at this. If this is something you're interested in doing, I do have a link below, again, to the 30-day free trial. You just check it out, see if you like it. And most importantly, see if you feel you can earn an income from it. And if you think it's something you'd like to build a business with, it is worth the investment of a monthly subscription to Kajabi. Let's go ahead and move all these to publish so we can take a look. If it's in draft, your customers can't see it. So now let's take a look. And again, we can put our logo up here, make this a beautiful picture back here. And we can put pictures for each of these lessons. And it has a little, the headline of the lesson and a short description. And then down here, you can add your social links. We can put your company name in here and remove these. Of course, you do want the privacy policy. You need to have a privacy policy when you have a website online. Obviously, a website's always online. So yeah, this is kind of what the people will see if they purchase a course from you. So again, the link below if you're interested in starting a business offering cooking lessons.